Students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am a subject teacher of social study, and in our last video we have discussed about chapter number 12, and chapter name is Agriculture and Industry in India. And in this video we are going to discuss about the worksheet of chapter number 12. So student, first of all let's have a quick overview on the chapter number 12. Chapter name is Agriculture Industry in India. So first of all, we will know about what is agriculture. So student, agriculture is one of the most important occupation in the world. It provides us with the food we eat. It includes activity like the growing of crops and the rearing of animals. So student, and next one is industries. What is industries? So student, we will know about what is industries. In our daily life, we use a lot of products like furniture, machines, vehicles, clothes, and paper. Most of these products are created out of material that exist in nature in a raw form, and the activity of producing finished good from raw material in a large quantity is known as industries. So student, now come on the exercises. So look at the first exercise. Name the following. It means in this exercise you have to write the name of the following according to the given statement. So look at the first statement. Two rabi crops grown in India. So student, in this in this statement you have to write about the two rabi crops which is grown in India. What is rabi crops? Rabi crops means the crops which is grown in which is sown in October and November and harvested in March and April. That is wheat and barley. Wheat and barley are rabi crop because it is shown in October and November and harvested in March and April. So now look at the next second number. Two cash crops grown in India. So student, here you have to write the two cash crops which is grown in India. What is cash crop? Cash crops means the crop which are grown for industrial uses. Which is grown for industrial uses is known as cash crop. So student, jute and cotton are the two cash crops which are grown in India, and here jute and cotton is already written. Now come on the third number. Two places where iron and steel plants are located in India. So student, you have to write the name of two places where iron and steel plants are located. First one is Bhilai and second one is Bokaro. Are the two places where iron and steel plants are located in India. Now come on fourth number. Two places where railway locomotive are built in India. The student, here you have to write about the two places, the name of the two places where railway locomotives are built in India. Answer is Chittaranjan and Varanasi are the two places where railway locomotives are built in India. And here Chittaranjan and Varanasi are already written. Now look at the fifth number. Two places where oil refineries are located in India. So student, in fifth number you have to write about the two places where oil refineries are located in India. So student, Mumbai and Mathura are the two places where oil refineries are located in our country in India. So now come on the second exercises. Choose the correct answer. So student, in this exercises you have to choose the correct options from the given options. So look at the first. Wheat is your option A kharif crop, your option B rabi crops, your option C cash crops, and your option D millet. So which type of crops wheat is? Wheat is a rabi crop because it is sown in October and November and harvested in March and April. So your option B is correct, and you have to tick the option B, rabi crops, and here option B is already ticked. Now come on the second. Cardamom is an example of, so student, what is cardamom? Your option A, a spice, your option B, a pulses, your option C, an oil seed, and your option D, a grain. Which option is correct? Cardamom is a spices. So your option A is correct and you have to tick the option A. And here option A is already ticked. Now come on the third number. The following is one of the new industry in India. So student, which is the new industry which is established in the past 20 years? Which industry established in the past 20 years? Your option A iron and steel, your option B information technology, your option C textile, your option D oil refining. Which option is correct? Your option B information technology is correct. So you have to tick the option B and here option B is already ticked. Now come on the next, that is third exercises. Answer the following question in one or two sentences. So student, in this exercise you have to give answer according to the given questions and your answer should be in one or two sentences only. Look at the first questions. What are the factors that influences agriculture in India? So student, in this question you have to write about the factor that affect and that influences the agriculture in India. Your answer is, there are different factors that influences agriculture in India as follow. First, arrival of the monsoon rain. Second, physical feature of the land. And third, fertility of the soil. So student, now come on the question number 2. What is the difference between food crops and cash crop? So student, in question number 2 you have to write about the difference between the food crops and the cash crops. Answer. Food crops, crops that are grown for food, for our household use like rice, wheat, maize, millets and pulses are called food crops. Wheat, maize, millet and pulses. And cash crops, crops that are grown for use in industry are called cash crop. So student, that crops which are grown for use in industry is known as cash crops, like jute and cotton. So these are the difference between food crops and the cash crops. Now come on the question number 3. What are the condition in which rice grow well? Answer. Rice grow well in monsoon season because it gets a lots of water. Come on, question number 4. Name 2 states that are leading producer of cotton in India. Answer. Gujarat and Maharashtra are the 2 states that are leading producer of cotton in India. So now come on, question number 5. What is an industry? So student, in this question you have to write about an industry. Your answer. The activity of producing finished good from raw material in large quantity is known as industry. The student, I hope you all understood about exercise first, second and third, and you have to done this exercise in your CW copy. This is your today's homework. So that's all and thank you.